What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the dreaded winter. Yes, the dreaded winter for a small engine mechanic. I'd assume even car mechanics have a slow winter sometimes, but not as much as us small engine mechanics because we rely on outdoor equipment. And nobody is mowing their lawn when there's 4 feet of snow on the ground. Not a single person is out there weed whacking in sub-zero temperatures. So what can you do to make some money to get through this winter? Well, I have a few tips for you. Now, my first tip relies on a $30 winterizing service. $30. Yes, you're going, oh, Andrew, that is super low. Why would I do a $30 service? Well, I'm gonna explain something to you. Especially for these new people who just started a business in 2021. You're gonna have not the biggest demand yet. You can't demand the big prices yet. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm dumb. But let me explain my math here. Let's say you worked on 100 customers this year. So you got 100 customers right here. Now with those 100 customers, you should have their name, the machine you worked on for them, their number, and their email address. Hopefully you get all those when you do a customer. It's always good to have every kind of detail. Keep it in a folder, keep it in the computer, keep it in a big old filing cabinet, whatever you gotta do. Make sure you have that information. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take those 100 customers. Wait, you know what, real quick. Let's say you pissed off some customers, because I even did it. And I made a whole video about it right here. Bam! But let's really exaggerate it. Let's say you pissed off 30 customers. That means now you only have 70 customers that are willing to work with you again. And if you pissed off 30 customers, you got to take a long, hard look in the mirror and figure out what the heck you did. Maybe you messed up their machine more. Maybe you slept with their wife. Let's say you did that. Yeah, let's go with that. Let's say you slept with 30 customers' wives or husbands. You know, I don't really care. But first of all, you're a raging sex addict, but we're gonna fix that. So we got 70 people now. Now, with those 70 people, what you're gonna do is you're gonna send them an email, a text, or even call them. Now there is software and apps you can download to mass do this, like an email list, like a text chain, like a call chain, and that's going to help you out a lot more because you really, I mean, unless you got the time, sit there and call everyone and make it personal, like, hey, you know, this is blah 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 with blah 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 repair. I want to let you know we're doing a $30 winterize. If you want to come in, let's do it. Now, let's say only 40 of those customers respond. Let's say another 30, so you divorce 30 of them. And 30 of them either lost their phone, not interested, or never responded to you, whatever. So now you only got 40 customers. Well, 40 times 30 is $1,200. That's a damn stimulus check, baby. That should get you through at least December and January. But here's the key. You're gonna throw an ad up. I'm talking Facebook, I'm talking Craigslist, I'm talking Nextdoor. I'm talking the white sheet, your local thing. Get one of them wacky, waving, flailing, arm flailing tube men. So you're gonna do that. That's gonna get you at least 10 to 20 more customers. Now, you just do the math. Now you got 50 customers, 1,500 bucks. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy. Math is easy. You guys got this. Now, once you do all that, I'm talking, because you know the other guys, they're charging out the ass for winterizing. I'm talking $50. I'm talking minimum hour, like $75. With that $30 deal you got going on, you'll probably take some customers. And with all the new customers, if you do a good job of 1 day turnaround, easy like that, bam, guess what? During next spring, you might be their client. Instead of Smo Joe repair, it's gonna be you repair. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you make money. You gotta be professional. And make sure with these new customers, stay away from their wives or their husbands. You don't wanna lose them again. But with all that said and done, there is another thing you can do. And that is fixing heaters. That's right. They're not lawnmowers, they're not weed whackers, they're not even chainsaws. Heaters. Everybody's heater goes out. And these heaters nowadays, they're soaring through the roof in price. But if you learn how to fix a heater, you know what, matter of fact, check out this channel right here. Bam! That's Bald Eagle. When he's not fixing John Deere's, he's fixing heaters. He got some good heater repairs. So I'm gonna have a link to his channel, one of his heater reviews, in the description down below. Really good guy. You should check out his channel. But you guys can learn right here on this platform you're watching. Yes, YouTube. You guys can learn how to fix all sorts of heaters. Electric heaters, gas-powered heaters, kerosene heaters. They're in demand. And not everybody fixes them. But they are in demand, guys. So, once you guys learn how to fix heaters, you guys are just going to be making money all winter. Because I don't know if you guys are like me, but where I'm from, I live in Arizona, it never snows here. We don't got snow blowers. But it still gets cold. It still gets about 20 degrees, 30 degrees. I know that a lot of you Midwesterners and up north people, you guys are like, 20 degrees, man, we're in shorts with that. Yeah, not here, buddy. So, fix these heaters. I'm even going to have some heater repairs coming up soon. So you guys got to check those out. And another tip you guys can do, bam, follow me on all my social media. Links in the description. It's not hard to do. But that's the tips I got for you guys. You guys can do this. I have faith in you. I know winter makes it go, damn, what am I gonna do? It's been a hard winter. You know, I'm not gonna be able to open up my business again. So if that was you this year, what I recommend you do is you take 10% of all your earnings throughout 2022. And you're gonna save those so you can survive the winter if you don't wanna fix heaters, if you don't wanna do winterizing. Take that money, save it up, build a savings up. It's the best thing you can possibly do. And bam, I appreciate you guys for making it this far in the video. Shout out to my channel members right here. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. If you guys want a shout out too, hit that little join button. It really helps out the channel too. Also, don't forget, there's a heater repair right there for you. Easy peasy, just click on that video. Have a good day. See ya.